So hi all, I have this amazing patient with us little 1 year after the surgery and procedure, and I'm thankful that he's going to say something about his treatment to all of you.
Yeah, I had a wonderful experience here in Richardson Hospital, and then um, everything changed after this surgery. My looks and my confidence, my behavior also. I think because everybody started, they were difficult for them to recognize, and then apart from this, the staff here and the treatment you get or the service you get is wonderful. I think it's the best in whole of the India. That's what I think, and I think definitely you guys should come here and have the experience of such a wonderful team and such a wonderful hospital. I wish them all the best.
Thank you so much.